The system allows you to also create LPOs and have these particular LPOs confirmed and now converted and moved into the purchase list section. Now, how do you do that? Under the purchase section, you'll click the new LPO button or link. This will open for you this particular window where you'll have to register the new LPO. You'll have to select the supplier name, and to register supplier once again, I'll advise you to visit our tutorial on how to register supplier, and that will be of great importance for you. So you'll have to select the supplier. You have to select the store shop. Once again, to register any store or shop, visit our tutorial and find how to register any store or shop in the system. So you have to select the store, which will have to be affected in case this proceeds into a complete purchase. With that, then now we can add multiple items to this particular LPO. I can select the bread item, define the quantity that I need, that is the unit quantity, projected unit buying price. I can enter that here. If it is going to be taxed or not. I can add more and more items into this particular LPO. So I'll select this time a different item, maybe rice. I need also 10 of that. And the unit price for each kg is 200 shillings. So once I've added all the items I require, I just click submit button at the bottom right. That will create my LPO. The system will automatically redirect you to the LPO profile, just as you can see, which you can print by clicking the print LPO button, or you can even edit it, because people make mistakes. So if you make any mistake, just click on edit LPO button, and that will automatically redirect to this window where you can add items here, edit quantities, even the pricing and all that. So where do you find these particular LPOs that have been registered in the system? Under purchases, you click LPO list. You'll find the list of all the LPOs in the system. So I'll just pick one here, just click action and click view LPO. This will open for me this particular LPO that I just created a second ago. I'll click on edit LPO. That is if I want to receive this particular LPO. I'll confirm whether these quantities are what are received, the prices are the same. And once everything is verified and complete, I'll want to convert this particular LPO to purchase. So to convert this particular LPO to a final purchase, you'll have to select or check the radio button, that is the yes, to convert this particular LPO to final purchase. Now, by converting this into final purchase, the system now starts calculating the accounting aspects of this particular LPO, and also the inventory aspects of this particular LPO are affected immediately in terms of stock balances. So once I click the yes and click update, this particular LPO will be automatically converted into a complete purchase. So that is the process of converting an LPO to a complete purchase. If we visit now our purchase list, our LPO list, sorry, you'll find that we only have one particular LPO left here. The other one has been moved into the purchase list where we can find it in this particular section. So I'll just open randomly this particular GRN, and I'll see the bread and the rice that I ordered from the supplier has been received and is now a GRN in this particular section. So that is the whole process of how to register an LPO, how to do a direct purchase, where to find the LPO list, where to find the purchase list, how to convert an LPO into a complete purchase, and that is also how to receive goods that have been purchased. It is the same process, so take note of that, and always remember that whenever you receive goods, it will be moved into the purchase list, and that will be converted to a GRN. Your stocks will be affected, your accounting aspects will be affected. So thank you for listening, and visit our next video on product section.